So I'm putting in my code right now, and this is my Credit Karma, and basically I'm just showing you like this what Self did. So I go over, and I'm still waiting on it to upload to my TransUnion, but you see it popped up, and this was from last week. This all happened within a week. The legit way. Paid my payments on time from last month, and it just had uploaded on there. And this is the Self account right here, itself. So this is the actual account, and this is what it did for me already. As you can see, I already made one payment of $48 already. And you can see I made that $49.74. I made that. And that was that fee I was telling you about. They charged the extra 57 cents. This is everything you need right here. Name, date of birth, address, identification number, you're a citizen.
Their account is an installment loan that enables people to build positive payment history and save money. The best part? You don't need a credit score to get started. And as you pay the Credit Builder account, your payment history is reported to all 3 major credit bureaus. At the end, you've established credit history, and the money in your account unlocks and comes back to you, minus interest and fees. Self. Build credit, save money,
It's your boy
do it
GB,
yourself.
and today we're gonna be talking about credit and how I'm building my credit. And what I use is called Self Lender. It was like Self Brokerage, and so I'm just go over it with you really fast. I know you watched the video, but I want to go over really fast of what Self is before I tell you like, hey, this is what I want you to do. So Self offer a 2-year term depending on what your monthly payment to be. The lowest payment you can make a month is $25. You also can choose payments of $35, $48, and $150 a month. And a non-registration fee, which is $9 APR, does not exceed 16% with the higher one. If you're going with the $25 monthly one, then that's a 24-month term with a $9 fee, and the APR on that is $14.92. Self reports your payments to the 3 major credit bureaus. Any late payments will hurt your credit score if you are trying to build credit. After 6 months, your repayment activity should be generated to a FICO score, and if you already didn't have one, you'll be able to see that soon. A larger loan won't help you build credit significantly faster, but be sure to make one of them payments that I told you about, which is the $25, $38, $48, or $150 a month. Pick which one you want so that you can be comfortable, so that you can pay them on time. What all you need to apply to Self? You need to be 18 years old, live in US, have a social security number, have a bank account, debit card or prepaid card is also okay. Just know there's going to be a fee for either the debit card or the prepaid card. You can't have any negative report such as bounce checks or unpaid fees in the previous 180 days. Self-builder loans versus secure cards. A self-builder loan is different because 2 ways. You don't need money up front to get the loan, but you must be able to perform and afford the monthly payments. Which a loan card, you typically have to pay up front and deposit the money, and that's the credit limit what you got. You cannot access the money on the deposit until the loan is paid off. So that money that you paying them a month, you can't get that until you're done paying the whole CDR, which will be either one of those things again that I told you about, which is the $25, $38, $48, or $150 per month. You can't get the money back until you're done with your contract with them. You must have made $100 worth of payments that you already paying, so that's not no more money out of pocket to get that secure card, self-secure card. Your account must be in good standards, and you must have made the last 3 payments on time. The card has an annual fee of $25 that will be subtracted from the money you have deposited once you get your secure card. If you open the card with the maximum 100, that means your credit limit could be as low as $75. So in other words, the more that you put on the card, that's the higher your credit score will be. Okay? All right. There's no credit checks like the loan. The secure card reports your payments to all 3 major credit bureaus as well. So that's an extra double bubble for one. One, you paying that fee and you getting credit. 2, you got the secure credit loan card. So you getting that extra payment as well. If the payment is 15 days late, it's gonna be a fee of 5%. If the payment haven't been paid within 30 days past due, it will be reported to the 3 major credit bureaus, and that can damage your score as well. Also, so let's go pull up some more questions. Does self work to build credit? Most people say that within 12 to 24 months, depending on your monthly payment you choose, you can see a faster results with this. How does self work? I just explained that a little bit. You open up a CD, you put money on it, you pick an option which one you want to pay, and then you just go in and pay it. As you're paying it over time, self reports it to all 3 major credit bureaus, and then that's when you start to get your credit together. Does self give you money? Self lets you pay a small portion each month towards the loan, and after you done with that loan in that 12 month or that 24 month, you get all your money back plus credit. Okay. All right. Can you close your account? Yes, you can close the account early. You need to email self, and then you still got to pay that fee. And also, any standards that your account is in, that's what it's going to report to. It's just going to look like you closed it off fast. Can you pay your account up early? That's what I was telling you. If you whatever CD you choose, you can pay that off early and get your money back within a check or either direct deposit, however you put it down for yourself. Can you have 2 self accounts at one time? Unfortunately, you cannot. You only can have one, but you can reapply once that one is over, so you can get another one and go right back and pick a different plan or the same plan once you feel comfortable with. Once you level to establish more credit, it's not going to run it up through the roof, but it will help. Okay.